Hello po, online world. So, ayan, ito yung project ni Giddy sa school. So, shapes. So, blue circle, red square, ayan, oval, white oval, and then, yellow triangle, and green star, and then orange rectangle. Ayan. So, ayan ang pinagpuyatan ng nanay. So, ayan. Different kinds of shapes and different colors. So, meron tayong red, white, orange, green, yellow, and blue. So, complete na yung shapes ni Giddy. So, 4 lang yung um, assignment nila. Pero, ginawang 6 ni tatay. Si tatay yung nag-cut ng carton na yan. Tapos ako naman yung nag-cover. So, time check, it's already 12:23 ng umaga. So, ngayon pa lang natapos ang nanay. Magko-cover pa ako ng mga notebooks. So, ayun. So, maraming salamat po sa support. Thank you for watching. Bye!